Hey guys, it's Damien here, and frankly, I actually need your help. I'm actually very curious on what type of batteries you would hope to put into a Goosky S2. Before, I was able to make an upgrade that is available on Thingiverse and Printables, where I just upgraded the tray enough where you could replace the old one and put in the new one to be able to put in batteries that are much larger from the 750 milliamp Goosky battery that you originally buy or get with the kit. The from RC Battery, there's a Liperior kit. I'm sorry, Liperior battery that you can tell is different in size. And when I first got this battery, I realized that it didn't fit the airframe, and I upgraded the tray. But now we're working with a completely 3D printed airframe. So I had some ideas that I could do to improve on that. This is the original airframe, and I have thought about possibly expanding the compartment that the battery sits in. It would definitely make the airframe a little bit bigger, and there are some modifications I would have to do to the frame just because of the motor wires here. But I have other ideas of maybe completely removing this compartment entirely and having a slant where you could strap the battery on an angle like this. But what I need your help on is if there are batteries that are bigger, anything that's bigger or a completely different size from the 750 milliamp 3 cell that you get with the kit or buy, if there are any other different sizes of batteries that you would consider and wanting to use because you're very limited to that compartment size. But I have some ideas I'd like to design and implement, but the best way for me to come up with the best solution is for you guys to comment down below and just let me know what type of batteries you guys would love to use and be able to fly with on the Goosky S2. So comment down below, let me know, and then I'll do some brainstorming because currently this compartment that I've been able to extend fits the Goosky S2 battery, the 750 milliamp battery, perfectly as far as the width goes from side to side. And then the RC Battery from Liperior, the 800 milliamp battery, I believe, let's see, this is a 50C battery, is able to hold it in all directions because the width of this battery is very similar to the width of the Goosky 753 cell, except of course the 800 is slightly taller. I know that the brands are trying to come up with batteries with more capacity in the same size as the original battery, but if we had the option to use multiple batteries without limiting the battery manufacturers to their size, I can definitely come up with a reasonable design for all of us to use so that we could just either slide in a battery that has multiple similar dimensions in a way where we could just have one size fits all and then go from there. So as I mentioned before, multiple ideas are running through my head. If you could just let me know what type of batteries are out there. I only use RC Battery and the Goosky 750 milliamp 3 cell. So if there are any, comment down below and I'll make some design changes. Otherwise, if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.